Hey, it's Nate here with RLINK. Now that you've got your new device, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to go over how to install it on your bike. I'm going to be installing it on a Harley, but the installation process is similar for any bike that you may have, sport bike, cruiser, whatever. It's really simple, only takes a couple minutes. So hang out with me, we'll get this installed. You'll find out how easy it is for you too. Thank you, bye. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. First thing we need to do is take the seat off to get access to the battery and the rear tail harness. So once you have access to your battery, the installation is pretty easy. All you do is take your main harness. You're going to unscrew the battery positive, and then the battery negative. You're going to install the positive connector. And then install the negative connector directly to your battery. You're already 2/3 of the way done. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to install the PosiTap connector on a switch power source. Switch power source is anything that is a 12 volts when the key is on and 0 volts when the key is off. So most of the time we go to like a license plate light or a running light wire. I'll show you a little bit more detail on. So I'm going to install this on the running light wire of this bike. Just take the cap off, put it over the wire that you want to install it on. Screw down the second part. It's going to pierce through the center of that wire. And then screw back the wire onto it. Once that's nice and firm, make sure that's tight. You're now pretty much done. That's the hardest part. Next step you want to do is take your RLINK module. You're going to take your 3M adhesive Velcro. You're going to put it on the back of it. I've already got some installed. You're going to find a good position for it. Generally want it to be pretty much flat. Once you've got that there, next item you're going to want to do, install your GPS antenna. Simply goes together like this. Push firmly until you hear a click. And this, you can attach this two different ways. The back of it is magnetic, so you can easily just attach it on however you see fit, in a good place that you don't have metal above it. So you can have this anywhere underneath the seat, on plastic. You can use the Velcro to adhere it to plastic. Otherwise, it's very, very easy to attach that. Just simply put it on and you're good to go. Last thing, plug in the module. Once you've plugged it in, you notice you'll have, the lights will start blinking on there, and you'll be good to go. You can test that your switch power setup is correct by when you turn the ignition on, you get a solid red light, when you turn it back off, it goes off. It'll go to a blink, but you'll know when it goes from solid to off that you have a good connection. Last but not least, just tidy up your wires just a little bit. Put the seat back on, and you're done.